The Cooper browser extension is here. It claims to be the ultimate shopping assistant that could actually pay you to use it. But is it one of our new top 5 gadgets? About 3 months ago, I made a video introducing you to Coupert. It's a completely free extension for Chrome, Edge, Safari, and basically every browser that automatically saves you money when you shop online. And since then, I've been running it silently in the background of my browser every day. And it's blown me away genuinely how much money Coupert has saved me. So today, I didn't want to do a video to re-explain how a coupon system works. No, we've already done that. What I wanted to do today is to show you what the key advantages of this software are and how it can genuinely save you money as well as saving me money, and how the average user has saved up to $600 per year using this. And there's some key features in this that could actually pay you directly for using Coupert. Firstly, let's look at the automatic coupon testing. We know it automatically tests and applies promo codes at checkout, supported by over 3 million retailers globally, but there is a massive advantage they hold over all of the competition, and that is the maximum saving guarantee. With traditional extensions, if they miss a code, you just lose out. Oh well, tough luck. With Coupert, they actually put their money where their mouth is. If they find a valid coupon that their system didn't detect, or you didn't save on several eligible orders, your order is actually protected and they'll give you a cash reward to pay you back. They're so confident in their technology that they will literally guarantee you the maximum savings. Next up is their cashback rewards, and they support cashback support for over 76,000 retailers. That's pretty insane, including some absolute giants like Amazon and Macy's. But that's not actually the true performance upgrade here. We want to talk about the faster payment process. Because if you've ever used a traditional cashback site before, you know the absolute pain in how they operate. They hold your cashback money hostage for 30, 60, maybe even 90 days, probably hoping that you just forget about it and leave that balance in your account. It is infuriating. With Coupert, your cashback is processed within 3 to 15 days. So the more you shop, the faster you get paid. And because they offer flexible withdrawal methods, you can pull that money straight out with PayPal, a gift card, or even right back to your bank card. You get your actual cash where you need it, and not just a useless gift card that you're probably never going to use. And finally, and this is genuinely my favorite feature of Coupert, is the price comparison service. So when you're looking at a product, let's say it's on Walmart, Coupert in the background will actively scan to see if that product in the exact same SKU can be found cheaper on different websites for you automatically. So let's say you're on Walmart, it can automatically scan eBay or Amazon and find a cheaper alternative for you automatically. Obviously, that's a key advantage. It's giving you real-time savings, and it completely removes the sickening buyer's remorse of buying that new piece of technology and only to find out that it was 50 quid cheaper on a different store 10 minutes later. We've all been there and we all know that pain. It shows you the best deal right there on your screen in real time, ensuring that you never miss out on a better price. You can even use this alongside their coupon tester and the cashback feature to stack up your discounts and completely cheat the system. So what is the TLDR on this whole thing? Well, we already knew that Coupert was a great potential piece of software when we looked at it 3 months ago, but I wanted to update you on having used it for 3 months, and I can tell you that these savings and the kind of time savers that it gives you as well really make this an incredible thing to install. And it's totally free, so it's a kind of free hit to do it. The max saving guarantee means you never leave money on the table, and the fast payment process means you aren't waiting months to access your cash back. And the real-time price comparison, which is my favorite, means you're always getting the absolute best bottom dollar deal for the thing you want to buy. With over 9 million users globally and a 4.8 rating on Trustpilot, it's got to be the most reliable way to stop overpaying online. Coupert have clearly smashed it out the park. But is Coupert one of your new top 5 gadgets? Let me know down in the comments down below. Once you're down there, please do like this video. Subscribe for more top 5 gadgets. I'll leave a link to Coupert so you can check it out yourself. And of course, I'll see you in the next one.